I'm Tommy Pike. I own Tommy Pike Customs here in Greenville, South Carolina, and I just wanted to talk to you about this incredible RapidAir product that we have here in our shop. The FastPipe system is just absolutely incredible, super easy to install. It has absolutely transformed our compressed air setup here at our shop. We were just losing a lot of time dragging hoses, and we didn't have quite all the outlets we needed because it wasn't really easy with the old school way of doing things, getting the drops where we need them. But with the RapidAir FastPipe stuff, it's absolutely brilliant. It's just so easy to lay out, install, and get your compressed air where you need it. We also have our MaxLine tubing, which gives us a little bit more bend or flexibility around our fab area where we have a ton of equipment and sometimes it's hard to get in and out of there. And that MaxLine tubing really makes that job easier. Last but not least are these incredible hose reels we have, and it takes everything else to the next level because we can hang these things exactly pinpoint where we need them for our high demand areas where we're doing a lot of production work. And they have these really cool RapidAir quick disconnects which are coated in a rubber type material. So if we do lose one, it's not steel and bare and like dinging paint off of things. I've told you all about RapidAir and their FastPipe system and how incredible all their products are. I almost forgot the most important thing to me because I'm Tommy Pike and I love for things to look incredible. Their stuff looks amazing. It has absolutely transformed my facility. Everybody asks, what's the blue pipe? One of the most important things for me here at our facility is that things look good. And RapidAir with their FastPipe system knocked it out of the park. I'm Tommy Pike and I 100% recommend RapidAir, their FastPipe system, all their products that go along with that. It's absolutely second to none.